Remember when those fancy AI chatbots seemed like a wild invention straight out of sci-fi? Well, folks, buckle those seatbelts, cause things have officially gotten way crazier in the world of large language models. These superpowered language generators are popping up everywhere. But if you're feeling a bit like a confused deer in the tech headlights, you're definitely not alone. Today, let's crack the code of all this AI chaos and cut through it like a hot knife through virtual butter. Okay, here's the deal. Ever tried keeping up with the latest AI model drops? Maybe a dash of those overblown news reports about AI robots stealing all our jobs? It's a whirlwind out there. Between new LLMs appearing out of nowhere, each with its own special talent, and that tendency to hype AI beyond what it can actually do, things get confusing fast. Hold on to your hats, friends. Let's not just stand there with question marks over our heads, let's become savvy AI navigators. Here's the trick. Instead of obsessing over every single model, it's smarter to get a basic understanding of how LLMs work. The big datasets, the occasional weirdness, remember, they're tools, not our new overlords. Now for the good stuff. Need reliable tech news? Think quality sources over clickbait articles always. And want to cut through the theoretical AI chatter? Try using it yourself. Get those bots writing silly songs, testing weird theories, brainstorming totally off-the-wall scenarios. See what sparks your creative spirit. This is where it gets really important. Shift those gears and ditch the robots are coming mentality. These LLMs work best when they're like power-ups to what you want to do. Need help digging through mountains of research? Summarizing crazy, complex things for clients? Brainstorming catchy lines for that song you just can't nail down? Start with defining the specific thing that bugs you, then you can find tools to help. This makes that initial overwhelming rush of too much AI stuff much easier to manage. Look, here's where it gets really interesting. Think about it, the way AI evolves actually tells us a lot about ourselves as humans. Can AI reflect back our existing issues? Absolutely. Can it redefine what we even mean by work? You betcha. This isn't a machines versus humans competition. It's about humans finding a way to evolve alongside this stuff. That leads to maybe my most important point, ethical engagement. Staying critical about privacy, misuse, and how AI affects people isn't just for techie people. It's for everyone who uses or is impacted by these growing tools. Look, we're in this wild AI adventure together. Things will keep changing, so let's stay smart. Ask questions. And most important, remember what you want to build with these tools. That confusion about new tech shouldn't hold you back. But be a signal to dig deeper, learn, and have some serious fun while you're at it. Don't worry, I'll be out there keeping track of those new models too. Let's make the most of this wild ride. You guys got any thoughts on what this stuff means? What tools would change the game for you? Leave it in the comments, and until next time. Thanks for watching.